what is a speckled Roman tomato? Here's a look at it. It's an indeterminate tomato. It's actually a pasting tomato. Goes well in salads too, as stews, chilies, soups, but it is a fantastic pasting tomato. Takes about 85 days to mature. It's prolific. And let me give you the recommendation. Here's an editorial of something I shot last summer. That's what it is. That's what it looks like. Full, very, very dense. Great for canning, great for everything. Bring that camera down here, sweetie. This one, that's either a San Marzano or maybe an Italian Roma. And I don't know if you can see that, but there's just, I mean, there's really no comparison. This is amazing. If you're not growing speckled Roman, you need to get this in the mix next year. Indeterminate, keeps on keeping on until the frost kills it. Yeah, it's fantastic. It's got the orange streaks in it and red. This is a great tomato. Highly recommend this tomato. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment down there. What's your favorite tomato? What's your favorite pasting tomato? I mean, if you had one to go with, I would take this one.